wanted to ask who reuses their bottles. I actually bought these drinks because of the bottle, right? I want to reuse it for my granite oil. I was using this one initially for granite oil. It's old and I just washed it, but I still feel like it's old. And let me show you the one I use for palm oil. So I was using a plastic bottle for palm oil. I now had to switch over to this bottle. But this is bottle and I wouldn't like to use bottle. I prefer using plastic. So granite oil, palm oil, after I finish drinking the drinks, of course. Alright guys, so is anyone like me that reuses their stuff, reuses containers? Let me know in the comment section.